This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Kathy Worthen. Charming move-in ready. Tons of updates. Super floor plan. 2 beds/1 bath down. 2 beds/1 bath down. Large eat-in kitchen with new cabinets and beautiful new granite countertop. You will love the large laundry/mudroom off the kitchen with plenty of room for lots of storage and separate side entrance. Open concept living room and dining room. All new high-end hard flooring throughout gives this home a great flow. Updated bathrooms, new shower/tub inserts, cabinets, and flooring. Newly painted inside and out. New windows. Energy efficient HVAC mini split system allows separate room controls. Maintenance-free siding/trim. Small town atmosphere, convenient shops, and great schools. 0.79 acre lot in large quiet neighborhood. Close to LAFB. Per insurance square feet 1867, low $650 year flood insurance. Can park boats and campers, close to boats.